This is a 2020 Subaru Outback, and this is the Touring XT. Today we're working with our friends at Luther White Bear Subaru in beautiful White Bear Lake, Minnesota.
Hi folks, this is Nathan with Two Guys in a Ride, and today on Fast Takes we're going to show you three different things. We're going to show you how to pair your phone via Bluetooth. We are going to show you how to plot a course in your navigation, and then finally we're going to show you how to set up a profile in the facial recognition system inside the car. So to start with, let's talk about pairing your phone. To add a phone using Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and then leave it in the Bluetooth settings area so you can look at that in a minute. Then just go to phone. It'll say, do you want to add? You say yes. Okay, and so it starts to pair, and pretty soon it's going to come up with a message asking me that if the number on the screen is the same with what's on the phone. Now, I don't see that yet, but I do see a Subaru showing up in my Bluetooth, so I'm going to click on that. And then the number came up. Okay, so I had to click on Subaru first. The pins are the same, so I'm going to hit pair. Now, it'll go through a couple of things like, well, do you want it to sync contacts and favorites? You will. It'll be your car. I am going to say don't allow. Okay, and now I'm connected. Okay, so I can get out of there. And then I can go up to my media, and I can change my source right over to Bluetooth for a minute. And if I go over, there it is. Okay, so it's playing already off my phone. Okay, all right. So that is quite simply how you pair your phone. Now, in addition to that, since my phone is paired, then if I go back to my home screen and I just click on phone, okay, now I can do things like go to keypad, I can type in a number if I want, I can look at any missed calls, all that kind of stuff. Phone book, favorites, okay, messages. All right, and that's how you pair your phone with Bluetooth. Okay, so the next thing is how to plot a course in your navigation. Now, honestly, the simplest way is to use a voice command. So I'll try that.
Please say a command.
Navigate to 1234 Main Street, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Okay, it takes a minute to think.
Main Street Southeast, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Would you like to navigate to this street's center point?
Yes.
Starting route guidance.
And it's that simple. I really like how this voice command works. And then you just press on let's go. Okay, and there it is. Now there's also an end button, so I'm just going to hit end. All right, very quickly, the other way is to click on menu. To click on, you can say recent destination, favorites, add home. I'm going to go to search. Okay, and I'm going to go to 1234. Okay, and I'm going to do, again, it'll be the same address, but so you can do this manually, but you can see how much faster it would be just to do it on voice command. So we'll take this one in Hugo, Minnesota. There we go. And you just hit go. And we'll end it here. So, all right. So that's how, very simply, that you can program a route in your navigation. Now, the last thing we're going to show you is this, again, uses facial recognition software for the driver focus safety systems. Okay, this helps if you're looking out the window or you're not paying attention to the road, it's going to beep and warn you and give you a physical graphic on your dashboard. So the way you do it is you go into settings and you go up to this top bar here and you go over all the way to the right to car, and then you go to driver monitoring system. Okay, this is turned on. We have user recognition. Okay, so we're gonna go register user. If it's empty, you do need to click on the first one. Again, this will take up to 5. Okay, so I'm just gonna adjust my seats quick, do some changes here. I'm gonna adjust my mirrors there so they're different than what they are now. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit set. Now, face forward until you hear a beep. So now it is reading my, whoa, that was quick. Input a name and select an icon. So here we go. Next, and I get to pick an icon. Woohoo! Checkered flag. Set. Now, if I turn the car off, and I'm gonna get out and I'll get back in again. And let's see if it works. So let's try this. I moved all my seats and mirrors. Oh yeah, there it is. So even as it's starting, it's recognizing me. It's not waiting. I originally thought this will be slower than using the buttons on the door, but no, it did it as I was starting the car. It's just amazing. That is really cool. So that's how you set it now.